Good morning and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for the morning. This meditation is designed to help you start your day with a clear and calm mind, so that you can approach your day with intention and focus. Find a comfortable seated position, and let's begin. Close your eyes as you turn your awareness inward. Take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Allow your breath to become slow and steady. As you breathe in, feel your body fill with fresh air, and as you breathe out, release any tension or stress you may be holding onto. With each breath, you feel the prana, the life force filling your body. Allow your mind to become quiet and still, like a calm lake on a peaceful morning. Let go of any worries or distractions, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself surrounded by positive energy and light. Visualize this energy filling your entire body, from your toes to the crown of your head. Feel this energy radiating outward, bringing positivity and calm to those around you. Take a moment to express gratitude for this new day, and for all the opportunities and experiences it may bring. Each day is a new beginning. Each day that you wake up and be here is already a successful day. Allow the energy to grow, to expand, encouraging that energy, getting more and more energetic, awake and alive. Now invite your mind to be present in the moment. Visualize yourself moving through the day, seeing the day going even better than you have imagined. You make the most out of every situation and handle it with confidence and dignity. The universe is out to do you good. See only opportunities coming your way. Every day, you are given an opportunity to be how you want to be your best self. Today, right now, in this moment, you are alive and you have all the energy, strength and passion you need to feel yourself completely recharged, calm and confident. Stay here for as long as you need. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, take your hands on your heart, thank the universe. Gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Have a bright and wonderful day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation.